Oh shit.
Look at the back of the car.
I don't hear him. Did it die? Oh, there he is. Nope, that's Alex. John died somewhere.
Oh no! Is it not going? It's like no fuel. Let's jump on it. Here he comes. He's pouring gas out of his car. Dude, they could start. Ow. Fucking battery's done. Alex Park. Yep. Racing out here. Just around this dirt track. There was like 6 cars to start with, and then 2, because we had to cross that river. And then 2 drove through it, got water into the engine, and blew the motors, so they didn't even make it.